Money May, money May, money May. I always gotta say my name first, because that's what I do, okay? Now, I'm Money May, and of course, my team is the money team. You know, it's all about the flashy lifestyle. It's all about the bad. It's all about the Jews. It's all about the whips. It's all about the PJs. And I ain't talking about the projects. I'm talking about the private jets. So right now we at Girl Collection, and I'm always getting to the bag. Not the small bag, but the big bag. You either motivate it or you hate it. Either or, it doesn't matter.